Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Last video I have shown you how to create EC2 instance and to connect EC2 instance inside the AWS console. But in this video I am going to show you how to connect the EC2 instance from your local system or your external device or external computer, not in the AWS management console. Let's start our the process. First go to EC2 instance. Then go to instances, then click on launch instance, give your instance name demo2. You choose your Amazon machine image AMI, which operating system you want to use. Click you can choose Ubuntu. I selected the latest version, that is 24.04, and then selected T2 micro instance as a instance type. Here you have to, in last video I have shown you without the key pair, that is, but in this video I am going to show you how to connect the EC2 instance from local system or external system. So you have to create a key pair while the creation of EC2 instance. Let's create a new key pair. In that, give a key pair name demo2. If you will use this key pair in the putty, then you have to click on .ppk key file format. I will not use in this key file in putty, so that I am using .pem file. So I have selected .pem file, then create the key pair, and it will automatically downloaded into your local system. Select the path. Yeah, it's downloaded successfully. Then allow all the security grow traffics, that is SSH and HTTPS and HTTP traffic. Then simply launch instance. Let's check our instance is whether created or not. Yeah, demo2 has been created. It is in pending state. Wait for minute. Wait for some few minutes. It will be in a running state. Yeah, my instances has been in ready state. This is running successfully by 2 check passed. Uh, let's log out. First you have to copy the IP address. Copy this IP address and paste this IP address somewhere and log out your AWS management console. The next process, how to connect the EC2 instance from the external system or your local system. Let's go to command prompt. Command bar, right click on that and run as administrator. Here open. Here you have to write a command which it will be authenticate to your instance. Okay, that command is, let's write ssh -i Then copy that pem directory, pem file directory. Copy that pem file directory. It has been downloaded here. Go to properties. Here you have to copy that location and paste on it. Give slash required slash, then give the file name with extension .pem. I have not copied correctly. Yeah, pasted it. Let's zoom it. Then I have used Ubuntu machine, so I have to write Ubuntu @ then paste that IP which I have copied. This is the IPv4 address of that instance. Paste it. Then finally click enter. Yeah. Then type yes. Yeah. It's through an permission denied public key. Then again you have to run that command. Oh, sorry, I have typed that command wrongly, copied it 2 times, pasted 2 times. So that you have to delete that. Yeah, let's enter it. Yeah, successfully login into our EC2 instance. Here, last video we have installed the Apache2 server inside the instance in AWS Management Console. Here we have to install uh, the Apache2 server inside the instance, but in our local system, through our local system. So first we have to update the Ubuntu. So we have to write sudo apt update. Yeah, it is going to be updated. Yeah, successfully update. Then install our Apache server. Sudo apt Apache2. Yeah, type Y. Let's wait for it. It will take some few minutes. Yeah, successfully installed our Apache2 server. Let's check through the IP address it has been installed successfully or not. Copy that IP address, paste in the browser. Yeah, successfully install our Apache2 server in our Ubuntu machine through local system. This is the process of how to install uh, a server in our machine through a local system or how to authenticate our EC2 instance for our local system, or how to connect our EC2 instance through our local system. Please subscribe my video and comments, and please give like to my video. Thank you all.